Hey guys, Charlie the plumber here. Hey, just wanted to do a short video on warranties for different faucet manufacturers. I know that a lot of the faucet manufacturers will give you a lifetime warranty. Lifetime is usually towards just the original homeowner. Let me say that again. You must be the original homeowner to get a lifetime warranty on that faucet. So let's take Delta for instance. Delta's tub and shower valves, you don't want to have to change the main valve body because it's going to cost you a lot of money, when most of the time it's just the cartridge that needs to be changed out. So if you get a drippy cartridge, instead of going to the big box stores and buying that cartridge for 65-70 bucks, you can email or call the big faucet manufacturers, Delta, Kohler, American Standard, find out what their warranty is and tell them, hey, I've got a 1300 series Delta that is dripping at the cartridge, can you send me one? Most of the time they will send you a cartridge for free, so now you've saved 60 to 80 bucks for a new cartridge on the faucet. You still have the time to put it in, and we'll get to that video down the road. But always consider a warranty before you buy parts. Also, another thing that the manufacturers are telling us is most people will only keep a faucet for about 10 years. So your kitchen faucet, bathroom faucet, a lot of times it's cheaper just to replace that faucet rather than putting parts in it. But the stuff inside the wall, that shower valve or tub valve, obviously you want to keep the main valve body. A lot of times you can change just the trim. So think about that next time you get that drippy bathroom tub faucet. Think about warranty. It takes just a few minutes out of your time to save a bunch of money. So thanks. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment if you got questions or thoughts on it, and hit that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. So again, Charlie the plumber. We will talk to you soon.